Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 5th Subject Maths, Chapter number 10, Problem Set 45. Question number 1, add the following. First, 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. That means you have to arrange in hour in one side and minutes in one side. Now you have to do the plus. Like 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 45 minutes. You will do plus, you will get 6 and minute 85 minutes. So now, as you know students, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. That's why we have written here in hour plus 1 and in minute minus 60. So when you will do this minus, you will get 25, and when you will do plus, 6 plus 1, you will get 7. So in this way you have to solve the addition of the following by doing 1 hour equal to 60 minutes plus 1 and minus 60. Then you will get the final answer. Now in this same way we will see the second sum. 2 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. We have arranged in the vertical form, and then normally we have done the plus, and then we get answer. And after that what we have done, plus 1 in the hour and in minute minus 60. And then we have done in minute minus, we get 20, and hour we have done the plus. 7 plus 1 we get 8. So in this way we get the answer. Same way third we will do, that is 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. Normal plus we have done, we get answer 4 hours 80 minutes. Now further we have done plus 1 in hours and in minute minus 60, and then we get answer 5 hours 20 minutes. Fourth, the same thing, you have to do the plus, and then you have to write plus 1 in hours and in minute minus 60. Then final answer is 7 hours 5 minutes. Now let's see the next, that is subtract the following. In the same way you have to do the subtraction, only the different step will be there. So 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Now in this what you have to do, you have to cancel this 3 hours and 10 minutes, and you have to write here, because this as you know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 60 plus 10 you will do. So that means this 10 is there, you will do the plus with 60. So 60 plus 10 you will get 70. So then this will be cancelled, and what remains 70 and minus 40. So you can cancel this. So 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 4 3, and this 3 will cancel and it becomes a 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So in this way you have to solve the minus sum. Now let's see the second is the same only. 5 hours, as you can see here, 5 hours and 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. Now you have to do minus. When you have to do minus, then what you have to do, 60 plus 20 you will write, because here 20 is there, because 20 and 35 doesn't minus. So that's why we are cancel 20 and write here 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20 answer will be 80. Now you will cancel 20 and you will write here 80. So 80 minus 35 you will get 45. Same way this 5 will cancel and become 4. So 4 minus 2 you will get 2. Same way you have to solve the third sum. This 4 will become 3, and this 25 will become 60 plus 25. Answer will be 85. So 85 minus 55, 30 answer will be there, and 3 minus 1, 2. Same way fourth you can see 6 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. Now 15 is smaller, again you have to do the plus with 60. 60 plus 15 you will do. So the rule is that you have to cancel this 15 and write here plus 15. Now 60 plus 15 you will get 75. So 75 minus 45 you will get 30 sorry. And here 6 you will cancel, you will get 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So in this way you have to solve this. Now let's see question number 3. As you can see, textbook. A government office open at 7 in the morning and closes at 3 in the afternoon. How long is this office open? So you have to see how long the office is open. So first of all we have to understand question, and then we can recognize that this sum is of plus or minus. So you have to do minus, because as you can see, government office open at 7 and closes in 3, and what you have to see, how long is the office time open. So as you can see here, 3 in the afternoon, so you can write 15 hours in 24 clocks. As you know students, 24 hour clock, one is of 13 and 2 is of 14 and 3 is of 15 in 24 hour clock. So closing time, and this is opening time 7 in afternoon, evening, night. So you have to use the 24 hour clock. Now we have done the minus, 0 minus 0 0, and 15 minus 7 8. So that means office remain open for 8 hours. Now let's see question number 4 here. A movie start at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and finish 2.5 hours later. At what time does the movie end? That means we have to see the movie end time. So we will do the plus. 3 hours 45 minutes is the movie starting time, and duration of movie is 2 hours 30 minutes. So we will do the plus. Normally we get 5 and 75. So now 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So plus 1 minus 60, your final answer will be 6 hours 15 minutes, end of movie in the evening. So 6:15 in the evening the movie ends. Now let's see the question 5. Sakharam was plotting the field from 8 in the morning. At 12:30 in the afternoon, he stopped and started for home. He reaches home at 1:30. How long was he plotting the field, and how long did it take him to reach home from the field? That means we have to see how long it takes the time to reaches the field and to home. Now let's see question number 5 here. 12:30 is stopped plugging. 12:30 को stop हो जाता है plugging के लिए, and started plugging at 8 o'clock. So first of all you will do minus and see the how many hours he need. So 4 hours 30 minutes he need for plugging. Now 1:30 in the afternoon, that means in 24 hour clock it will become 13:30. Okay, so now what you will write here, this 24 hour, that is 1:30 in 24 hour clock 13:30, and the 12:30 stopping plugging this time, and you will do the minus, you will get 1 hour. That means 1 hour is the time taken to reach home. मतलब 1 घंटा उसे लगता है घर जाने के लिए. Now let's see. Therefore he plugged for 4:30 hours and he took 1 hour to reach the home. So in this way you have to solve question number 5. Now let's see question number 6. Rambau started the water pump at 10:30 at night and put it off the same night at 11:45. How long was the water pump on? So now let's see how long the water pump is on. So 11:45, that means 11:45. You have to remember this. 11:45, that means 11:45. Now hours in minute you will write hours 11 and minutes 45 because quarter is there. So water pump put off at this time, and pump was start at 10:30. So you have to do the minus, you will get 1:15. So 1 hour 15 minutes. So pump was on for 1 hour 15 minutes. That means 1:50. Now let's see the 7th sum. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours and 45 minutes in the morning and 1 hour 45 minutes in the afternoon. How long was she teaching in all. That means you have to see in morning and in afternoon how much time she teach in the classes. So let's see question number 7. Hours and minutes, same way you have to write 2 hours 45 minutes teaching in the morning and 1 hour 45 minutes teaching in the afternoon. So let's do the plus. We get 3 hours 70 minutes and then we will do plus 1 minus 60. 1 plus 1 and minus 60. Now you will do minute minus, so you will get 10 and you will do the plus this 4. So that means total teaching of Gita was for 4 hours 10 minutes. Now let's see 8th question. If a bank is open for business for 10 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening, how long is it open? So now let's see 8th question. 4:30 in the evening, it will become in 24 hour 16:30. So hours and minute, 16 hours you will write and 30 minutes closing time, and open time will be 10 o'clock open time. So you will do minus, you will get 6:30. That means a bank open for 6 hours 30 minutes. Now let's see the 9th question. If a shop is open for 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., how long is it open? So let's see the clock time, shop time. 10 p.m. that means 22 in 24 hours and minute. So 22 hours shop closes and in 9:30 shop opens. So you will do minus, you will get this 0 and 30 does not get minus. So what you will do, you will do plus with 60 plus 0 you will get 60. So this will become 60 and 30. Answer is 30. And this 22 will become 21. So 21 minus 9, 12. So therefore shops open for 12 hours 30 minutes. Now let's see the 10th question. If the Maharashtra Express leaving from Kolhapur at 15:30 arrives at Gondia the next day at 20:15, how long is the journey from Kolhapur to Gondia? So let's see how much long it take. So you will write hours, minute, and 20 hours 15 minutes is the Gondia the next day, and leaving from Kolhapur is 15 hours 30 minutes. So you will do the minus. So 15 and 30 doesn't minus, so you will do the plus with 60 plus 15 you will get 75. Then it will be cancelled and it will be cancelled and written here 19. So 75 minus 30 you will get 45. Same way 19 minus 15, 4. So 24 hour plus 4 hour 45 minutes. Now that means you have to do the plus with 24 hours. So 24 hours and 4 hours 45 minutes. The answer will be 28 hours 45 minutes. So journey from Kolhapur to Gondia is from 28 hours and 45 minutes. So in this way you have to solve, and here we complete the chapter. Thank you, students.